On the APA reference page, you list all the sources that you've cited in your paper. The list starts on a new page right after the body text. It's very important to follow the APA guidelines. There are specific guidelines for formatting the page itself and the references in the list. In this video, you'll learn how to do it effortlessly. Stay tuned! Hi, I'm Jessica from Scribbr, here to help you achieve your academic goals. The reference page follows the general APA formatting guidelines. If you're not sure what they are, check out this video first. I'll quickly set it up now. Choose a legible and widely accessible font, like 12-point Times New Roman, 1-inch page margins, and double-line spacing. This is an example of a student paper, so we don't need to insert a running head, only a page number. Now, place the section heading References in bold and center it at the top of the page. Moving on to the references. There are different rules to create references for books, journal articles, websites, and more. There are two ways you can create your references, either manually or use a citation generator. I'll first show you how to do it easily with Scribbr's free citation generator. Let's say I want to cite an article. Click on Journal, search the article by title, double-check the information, and cite source. When you finish entering all the references, you can copy the entire list. It's important to sort the references in alphabetical order based on the author's last names. If you copy them from Scribbr's citation generator, the references are automatically in alphabetical order. All that's left to do is format the references with hanging indents like this, which basically indents all the lines except the first. Select the entire list, pull the arrow on the ruler to 1/2 inch and the rectangle back to 0. And we're done! If you want to learn how to create references manually, click on this video or read more in the article below. You can play around with the options in the citation example generator to get familiar with APA style. Remember, you only need to include references for sources you've actually cited in the body text. For some student papers, it's common to describe or evaluate the source in an annotation. Place the annotations on a new line below the corresponding reference entry. Select the entire annotation and indent it by dragging the arrow to 1/2 inch. For an annotation that consists of multiple paragraphs, the first line of the second and any subsequent paragraphs is indented an additional 1/2 inch. Have fun creating your references. It's not that hard after all, right? If you need help with other APA formatting, click this playlist. See you there!